Hey guys, it's Jen from Beauteque, and today we are talking about my favorite skincare products and devices of 2018. I have a handful and a half of products. There's not a ton, so this won't be 20 minutes long, so let's just get right into it. All right, the first thing I'm going to talk about is the face wash that has probably been one of the best face washes I've ever used, and this is the COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. I wasn't sure about it. I heard it was like a low lather, and I'm like, it's like with shampoo. I need there to be bubbles. If there's not bubbles or suds, I don't think it's working. This does have a little bit of bubbles, so you'll get that out of it, but it doesn't strip the good stuff from your skin. It doesn't make it like squeaky clean to where it's so dry you feel like it's going to break. It's fantastic. It's very affordable. I got mine on Amazon. The next is the Pyunkang Essence Toner. This doubles as a toner and an essence. I use basically this 2 times in a row. So I wash my face and then I'll put this on, pat it in, let it absorb, and then put another layer of it. Layering these kind of products only helps the moisture and hydration in your skin. So the next is a product you don't need me to talk too much about. This is the Erborian Ginseng Milk Smoothing Effect Milky Face Lotion. This is one of the most amazing moisturizers, lotions I've ever tried. And it's exactly what it sounds like. It's kind of liquidy. Oh my God. But this makes your skin feel like silk. It's not greasy, it's not overly oily, it has ginseng in it, which is great for anti-aging. I highly recommend this. It's good for winter, fall, summer, spring, whatever. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. It's literally perfection. And for the price, it's like $30-something, but for $30-something, you get 6 ounces, which is awesome compared to the 1 ounce of product you usually get from other brands. So this product was actually sent to me from Wish Trend, which is a Korean beauty shopping site. This is from Dear Klairs. This is the Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Mask. So this is basically a sleeping pack. Well, that's what I use it for anyway. I put it on as the last step in my skincare routine, and it just adds that extra bit of moisture that I might need if my skin is feeling particularly dry, especially because it's winter. Since I'm getting older, my skin's changing quite a bit, quite often, so I'm still trying to figure out what is good for it, and this is something that just never steers me wrong. It has vitamin C in it, so it actually lightens any like dark spots or blotches that you have on your skin. Okay, the next is from Acure, and this is the Morocco Argan Oil. This can be used on skin, hair, whatever. I use it for my skin, and what I actually do is I add it to my lotions. If my lotion, again, needs a little bit extra, if my skin needs a little bit more of that heavier oils, this is what I'll put in. And I mean, I just put like the barest drop in because this is like serious oil. The next is another oil. This is the Urang Whitening Blue Oil Serum. This is what I will put into my lotions when I have breakouts. This is actually an oil for breakouts. So I'll add a little bit into my Erborian ginseng milk, and it calms inflamed skin like you wouldn't believe. This doesn't cause me breakouts anyway. It has almost like a calming effect because it's so light, but a little bit of this and it's like the perfect way to tone down that like angry redness that breakouts leave. All right, the next is a product from The Ordinary. This is the Alpha Lipoic Acid 5%, a concentrated serum to brighten and target signs of age. This smells like burnt death. I put this on at night and I wake up and my skin feels so soft and supple. I didn't know what supple meant until I tried this. My husband always knows I'm wearing it because he's like, do you have acid on your skin? Because he can smell it, because it smells, you're not gonna vomit, I don't think. But it definitely carries a bit of a scent. I think this is amazing. It's something I use maybe like once every 2 weeks. Totally recommend. All right, the next is from Stratia. This is the Liquid Gold with ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. If I'm not feeling particularly dry that day, this I can use literally just as a moisturizer, or it could be part of my layering skincare routine. So this would go on after my essence or toner. It's almost like it traps in the moisture on your skin. When I think of cholesterol, I think of the cholesterol in a tub that I used to use in beauty school to put around your hairline so your color wouldn't like bleed into your face, or so your perm solution wouldn't burn you. That's what I think of when I think of cholesterol. And this is obviously a more refined version of it for your actual face. This does the same thing, it protects. I got it a few months ago and I didn't really realize how good it was until the colder months came and I needed like something extra. The next is a lip treatment, and this is probably my favorite lip treatment. This and the Bite Beauty Agave like lip mask. This is the Hana Lee lip treatment. I can't find the lid, which is kind of unsanitary, but whatever. I think this is even better than the Laneige sleeping mask, which is fine, but I actually don't see the big deal about it. I mean, it's just fine to me. This I think is awesome. I definitely feel and see a difference in my lips when I use this, which is usually nightly. All right, the next is the Skinfood Black Sugar Perfect Splash Mask. So you can use this one of two ways. You can pour like a capful into like a thing of water and then splash your face with it, or you can put a few drops into your hand and then just put it on your freshly cleansed face. Then you rinse it a few times with water and that's it. And this, oddly enough, really does make a difference. My skin feels like a good bit smoother when I'm done using it. And it's in such a small container because you only need like a splash of it. I don't know if it actually comes in a bigger, it must come in bigger sizes. I'm not 100% sure though. I did actually get this at Ulta though. The next is an SPF cream. This is the Aloe Soothing Sun Cream from COSRX. It has SPF 50, PA+++. The plus is like extra protection. This doesn't leave a white cast on your skin. I use this every day, whether I go outside or not. Highly recommend using sunscreen, especially if you're younger, because then it becomes a part of your routine. Like, it's just the norm. I didn't start using sunscreen until a few years ago, and I am kicking myself because I probably could have spared myself some wrinkles had I started using it earlier. The next is a blemish cream. This is the Centella Blemish Cream, again from COSRX. This is like a dotting cream, like a spot treatment. It's not one of those spot treatments that dry your skin out or make it all scaly. This is almost like a hydrating spot treatment. It's very cool and very affordable. COSRX is easily found on Amazon, and I mean, their products are pretty legit. The next is from Dr. Dennis Gross. This is the Acne Solutions Clarifying Colloidal Silver Sulfur Mask. This is one of the more drying, like this is something I'll put on if I have a really angry red spot that is just about to become white and I just want to push it out. That's what this is for. Next is the Blithe Pressed Serum. I never know how to say this, what order to say it in. So this is the Blithe Tundra Chaga Press Serum for ultimate nutrition and firmness. This is a pressed serum. So this would go on after my toners, essences, if I did a sheet mask. And it's a serum, but it's a pressed serum, so it's solid. Well, not solid, but it's like a cream. It's beautiful, and it does, why did I take this much? It's a beautiful consistency. It's not oily. It absorbs into your skin beautifully. It feels like your skin kind of feels like velvet. It's like a really nice drink of water for your skin. All right, the last few things I have here are like tools, facial tools. The first one is something I featured in my end of the year giveaway. This is the FOREO Luna Fofo, or Fufu. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but this is a silicone cleansing device. So basically it can't hold on to bacteria and germs and stuff like facial brushes can. I think this is great. I was actually surprised at how well it exfoliated and smoothed my skin out. I'm a huge believer in silicone cleansing devices. I highly recommend them. The next is a Kanza Wand. And you're probably like, what the fuck is this? This is kind of like the same idea as like a jade roller. This I use to massage and press products into my skin. It really makes a huge difference as opposed to just putting it on your skin and leaving it there to absorb. This literally massages and presses it into the skin. This actually has other benefits, but that's kind of what I base this around. The fact that it's pushing products into my skin 10 times better had I not used it. This is probably the greatest discovery risk that I ever took with my skin. This is a Derma Roller. I've been derma rolling my face for almost a year, and this does what nothing else I've ever tried could do. I have a blemish right here and a few old like acne scars. What I will do, and I have a video on this I'll list below if you're interested in learning more about this, but once a week I will use this roller and roll over my entire face, everywhere. And I wake up and this promotes collagen growth and regeneration. It's basically giving you little punctures in your skin that are going to heal themselves with new skin. That doesn't make your skin bleed. I mean, unless you're like scrubbing it across your face. It's not as scary as it sounds. I definitely recommend doing your research if you want to try this. I did mine and I'm thrilled with what it's been able to do for my skin. But as I was saying, I can go to sleep and I can have a bunch of like bumps of old like acne scars on my face. I use this and it's like I wake up and they're deflated. It's incredible. That's really why I started using this, but I also continue to use it because it also makes the rest of my skin just look really luminous and glowy and just new. Like I can't even really describe it that well, but it's incredible. This last thing is very surprising. Now you're probably looking and you're like, oh, it's one of those like shower mitts. And yes, you're right. This is the most incredible shower mitt I've ever tried. I got it in my Beauteque box like not long ago, maybe like 2 months ago. Holy effing shit. It's an aggressive exfoliator. Like this feels like a finely milled pumice stone, okay? It's rough, but I love this kind of exfoliation. I love it. My skin has never felt smoother since I've started using this. It's unreal. I need to find out the brand of it because there's no tag on it or anything. I have to go look on Beauteque's website because I'm gonna order like 10 more of these. They're incredible. If you have rough skin or aging skin, and this isn't for your face, but it's for the rest of your body, but if you have like rough skin, you fucking need this. When I'm done using it, I'll put like a really nice hydrating lotion on or like a body oil. Oh my God, it's literally like new fucking skin. So that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know some skincare stuff that you like just went butt crazy over in 2018. I'd love to know, or some stuff that you're trying right now and you just think is amazing. Let me know in the box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.